What's up, guys? That clock guy 432 back again with a third clock. This is an American Eagle limited edition 200-year anniversary wall clock. It's got a really nice I don't know if y'all can see in there, it's got a nice hand-painted dial. So yeah, it's got a really nice dial, double glass. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna try and open some of these doors for y'all, so y'all can. Oh, wait, hold on. Sorry guys, I'm gonna set my phone in my pocket real fast so I can do this. Okay, so sorry guys, so I'm gonna try and get this for y'all. Oh yeah, and while I'm at it, I'm gonna show right up here. It actually does kind of look like a grandfather clock. So it's got that open top. I kind of think of it as like a Howard Miller or something. But yeah, I think this is a Westminster. I don't know. That's why I'm trying to, you know. And probably, yeah, it's here in there. I'm gonna try to. There we go. Okay, guys. So I was able to get the door open. So right in here, oh, we have a gong. We have a gong now. So I'm actually gonna do this for y'all. So there we go. So this one is actually working. So guys, I thought I'd show you all the chime. So here we go. I'm gonna set it. So guys, I thought I'd show that to y'all. If y'all want to hear the chime again, just comment down below what y'all think, because I think this is really cool. You know, I will go through the whole chime cycle for y'all. So here we go. Let's do it. So there's the half hour. That's 2:30. Three o'clock. Let's take it around again. Half hour. I'm just gonna go to 5. So guys, I hope y'all are enjoying this. This is actually my first clock video of me cycling through the chimes. Well, anyways guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.